Good morning, everyone. It's wonderful to welcome you all here. Rudy has already mentioned the Niagara Health and Bioscience Research Complex, and if everyone just looks through the window over there, you can see the side of the building that is being constructed. It will house many of our top-line researchers in health science and bioscience and their graduate students. Some 400 researchers, including graduate students and postdoctoral fellows, will do their work in that building in state-of-the-art facilities that will replace and augment the very cramped facilities that they work in now. The importance of this facility has been recognized by a wonderful family in the Niagara region, the Cairns family, represented by Roy, Jeff, and John, sitting in the front row. And they see in this building its potential to not only help transform and develop Brock University, but also see in it the potential to develop the economy and improve the lives of Niagarans and people beyond. I am delighted to tell you today that the Cairns family will make a gift after the terms of reference of this gift are completed. The total impact of the gift will be, there's supposed to be a drum roll. An impact of $10 million. Through their generosity, they will make possible this incredibly important transformation, both here at Brock and in Niagara, as we move forward together to rebuild the economy here and to make the lives of Niagarans and the people outside of Niagara one that is healthier and better.
I'd like to say that it's really nice to know that the Cairns family investments in Brock and its future are the best investments that we have made as a company and as a family. We believe that the Niagara Health and Bioscience Center will lead the way as to the changes that are necessary here in the Niagara region. We are going to become a minor industrial operation in total, and things are going to change, as Jack has alluded to. They will change big time, and you will see it, you younger people will see it as time goes on.
I think everybody knows that research is an expensive undertaking. So you need advanced laboratories, you need the greenhouse that's going in there, you need the biocontainment level 3 laboratory that's going in there to make sure that you have the resources to be able to do the work that you need to do. If you don't have those resources, you can't do the work. And so in terms of providing the funding that will realize the completion of this building, couldn't be better. It's absolutely wonderful. It's absolutely marvelous.
What I've been able to do is actually quite limited up until now because we haven't had a level 3 facility with a level 3 insectary where I can actually do experimentation on infected insects. So as a medical entomologist, I've actually been looking over the years at things such as West Nile virus. Our lab was the first to detect West Nile virus in mosquitoes in Ontario, and we actually were able to discover which mosquitoes are vectors of the disease. But we were never able to do any transmission studies because we can't work with live infected mosquitoes unless we have a level 3 facility. So that's one of the big benefits to my research group, is to be able to work with infected mosquitoes and study all sorts of new emerging infectious diseases.
You know, I think that there will be tremendous opportunity for our people to work in state-of-the-art facilities and for them to bring their graduate students, PhD students, postdoc students, even undergrad students and master's students to work in these labs. So, you know, the contribution is critical, and also I think one of the major factors is it brings individuals together who might not be able to work in the lab space that we've currently got, to work on projects from a multidisciplinary point of view and an interdisciplinary point of view. So the contribution is huge.
What this allows us to do is bring all of our members together in one central location allowing us to interact on a daily basis, allowing our students to interact on a daily basis, and allowing us to collaborate in a much more congenial and really effective manner.
Cairns Family Health and Bioscience Research Complex will provide a great environment for our researchers to take their work to entirely new levels. The outcomes of this work will benefit Niagara, Canada, and the entire world in the long run, and that in itself is a great outcome of this building. It's also important to me that the new building will also help us attract the best and brightest faculty and students to Brock in the future.
Presently, I do most of my work in a tiny space and spaces that are scattered across the Mackenzie Channel complex. So having everything in one place where you can do all the research, do the DNA analysis that I need to do will be very, very helpful for myself, and I believe for everybody else who does research at Brock University.
As a family, we were very excited when we were asked to invest in Brock's newest development, the Niagara Health and Bioscience Research Center. We did our due diligence, and we think that we've struck gold.
The Cairns family, being a local family, I think it really speaks to the issue of their investing in the community. I mean, they've obviously been involved with Brock since the get-go, and now they see Brock as a research institution with everything that that means. So their investment in the community of Brock University suggests to me faith in where we're going, what we've been doing for the last 10 years, and where we're going to be going in the future.
Universities, institutions of academia are more than just academics and research, that in fact we've got to push beyond that and take what is learned in theory and put it into practice. And here where we've got research, particularly in something significant in biosciences and medical research, where we're going to see advents or perhaps cures or treatments for cancer, diabetes, and numerous other diseases are going to come out of part of the research from this center and complex in Brock University, that we can then put it into practical application, and that becomes a synergy likewise between the university as an academic institution, research institution, with the private entrepreneur to make that an economic engine to drive business in Niagara and Canada.
This will make a major difference at Brock University. It's first of all a very tangible gift to Brock University that allows the project to move forward. So many good things are happening at Brock at the present time, and while government can provide some of the funding, and indeed the federal and provincial government have provided funding, the factor of people ensuring that they're contributing is important as well. Having people from the private sector make generous donations makes a significant difference. So for Brock University, this is a major step forward, and I think it will encourage others to be equally generous in the days and the months and the years to come.
Well, I believe in Brock University and what it has done for the community and what it can do. And you haven't seen anything yet with this new biocenter. You're going to see amazing things happen, change in the way things are done in Niagara completely. And I look forward to financially helping Brock to reach that goal.